This is Miss Sin reading about geothermal. Fill in the chart as you go. Geothermal energy is also a renewable energy source. The earth continuously produces rain for water, and magma for producing heat. Deep inside the earth, the water and the rocks absorb the heat from the magma, and we can dig wells and pump out the heated water or steam. This heated water can be used for heating and generating electricity. Geothermal energy is clean energy because no fuel is burned, so there are no harmful pollutants released into the environment. Geothermal power plants use steam from wells that reach deep in the earth into geothermal reservoirs. These reservoirs are usually found along the Earth's major plate boundaries, where volcanoes and earthquakes occur most frequently. Since there are no physical signs above the ground for geothermal reservoirs, geologists, people who study the earth, must drill a well and test the temperature of the ground to see if there is a reservoir that can be used. Fill in your chart about geothermal.